Hey guys, so today in Minecraft here. Okay, today I built an awesome helicopter and animal in my Minecraft here. Pretty awesome. You wanna check it out? Okay, wait, I hear, wait a minute. Oh, I forgot the height to it. And this thing. Check it out, guys. Look at this. Awesome, right? Okay, let me introduce the diamond helicopter. I made it from diamond. This plasma made a diamond and crystal. With this, I use black wool and gray wool, like this. So at the back, I got a nitro. A nitro, I made it with the buffalo stone and block of coal, and also the black. And oh yeah, don't forget the glue suit. I made it also same like the helicopter in there. This thing made from black wool and light gray wool. If you want to see inside there, I can show you. Let's get up. Dun 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 dun. Let's get up here. Haha. Okay. Whoa whoa whoa! Oh my god. I can't. Okay, wait. Okay, first inside here, there's 2 bits. Double couple of bits, and is like airport middle landing, right? I think it's done. So if you like my channel, please subscribe. If you like this helicopter in next episode, I can't. It's too long to show it. So thanks for adding Guzman to make this channel. To make this helicopter, so subscribe him, subscribe me too, and goodbye guys. Bye.